What's up, y'all? My name is Lynda J, and today I'm going to be showing you how to properly oil your scalp for hair growth. I start off by sectioning my hair into 4. Your hair does not need to be blown out for this. It can be in any detangled state. When I section my hair off, I like to do little bantu knots because this ensures that I won't have any snagging compared to me using a rubber band or hair tie. Your parts do not need to be clean or perfect, so I do not use a comb throughout this whole process. All that matters is that I can see and access my scalp. Then I take a cup, or you can use a bowl, and pour warm water into it. I then place my Haitian Castor Oil or l'huile masqueti in the cup and pour warm water into it. You can also use Jamaican Castor Oil, as there is no difference to my knowledge. Make sure you check the description box for the links to find these oils. I do this to warm up the oil to the point where it is not too hot to burn my scalp so that I can get the maximum benefits of Haitian Castor Oil, which we will get into a little later. Here's what you don't want to do. You don't want to use a tool to oil your scalp unless you have a method to see the back of your head. You'll see how I missed my scalp simply because I could not see my parts. Now, there is a way to effectively oil your scalp without a mirror by yourself, and I'll show you how right now. This is the best way to oil your scalp. You can see that I am able to apply the oil directly to my scalp without having any mirror or any way to see the back of my head. What I do is pour some Haitian Castor Oil onto a cap of some sort, dip my hand into the cap, and then apply the oil directly onto my scalp. The reason why this is the best method is because I can feel my scalp with my fingers when I'm applying the oil. This helps to serve as a guide. Also, notice how I'm sectioning my hair off into smaller sections so that I can effectively oil my entire scalp. You want to section your hair off slowly so that you can prevent snagging or unnecessary breakage. Haitian Castor Oil or l'huile masqueti is the only oil that I use on my scalp. This is because Haitian Castor Oil is the absolute best oil, for me at least, to promote hair growth. Haitian Castor Oil hydrates, strengthens roots, promotes hair growth, repairs split ends, softens hair, relieves itchy scalp, controls frizz, and adds shine. You can also use it on your skin to fight acne, reduce joint pain, and increase the penetration of your other skincare products. Haitian Castor Oil has a higher pH, which helps to open up your cuticles for better absorption. Now, my hair is already blown out and my oil is already warmed up, so my scalp should be able to absorb this oil very well. However, if you do have a hair steamer and your hair is not blown out, I would recommend steaming your hair after applying your oil. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on how I steam my hair and the alternative to steaming your hair if you do not own a steamer, make sure you're checking the description box for a linked video. applying my oil to each section, I give myself a massage just to get the blood flowing. We also know that scalp massages are really good for promoting hair growth, so you want to make sure that you're doing that as often as possible. And that's it, guys. After this, I let the oil sit throughout the day and style my hair the next day. Speaking of styling, if you want a step-by-step tutorial on this 3-strand twist out that I ended up doing on my blowout, just let me know. I think this looked absolutely bomb, especially with the hint of the bantu knots that I added on the side. Sis, this look was everything. Okay, let's get back and finish the original video. If this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you are not already a part of the family, please be sure to click that subscribe button before you go. I'll meet you guys in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video.